Back to yesterday, customer requested deck built. To rebuild the deck, and today came to rebuild that deck. Morning.
You afraid you're gonna break something or what? Make noise. I have access.
Oh, okay, yeah, I'll do that. There is no.
I expected you to answer back yes.
Yeah.
I'd like to meet you in the back, but
Okay, let's meet you there.
okay.
All right. All right. I honestly didn't bought the back one, but we'll go through the back side of alley. This is a disaster right here. And customer said they did have a big deck in here. Maybe yes, maybe not. You never know. The deck.
Oh yeah, hey, good.
Yeah. So let me check again. Okay. Yeah, basically I'll need to remove all of this stuff, and then it's like to build it from beginning, you know, again. Only this and the stuff. Okay.
Okay, you want me to unlock that, huh?
Oh, there is a back entrance. No, I didn't knew that.
That's why I texted you and I said, "Do you want to use the
Really?
back?"
Oh, let's do that.
You didn't answer.
Yeah, because I was sleeping over it. That's a back entrance. So, how I'm going to go around? How you go around to this one?
The way it's the alley. It is an alley.
So,
Downtown alley.
yeah, but can I drive it through it or?
Yeah, you can back right in.
Okay, let me then.
Put in.
The main chart out?
To the, yeah.
Yeah, we could do that.
Might be just doing that because,
Yeah,
that.
this is a nail.
Yeah.
Like that. Okay, let me.
They want it installed by a plumber,
Mm-hmm.
a licensed plumber.
Okay, I'll find one for you, because honestly, I don't have it.
And you can get on a list that they can do it for everybody.
Yeah.
They have one on the list for $750.
Mm-hmm.
So you can do that, you can match that or beat that. You're probably going to get a lot of calls on it.
Okay. We'll do that then.
I'll give you the paperwork on it.
Okay. Deck right here.
You know, here.
Big one. You said swimming pool?
These are all antique bricks.
What's that?
These are all antique bricks.
Yeah, I can tell you.
Some of them
that. Okay, here we are with Richard to replace this deck. Now I'm talking to my camera right there. I'm making videos to share with people. You know, yeah, I'm a little bit crazy, like everybody does. You can leave it. Yeah, you can leave it up. This is Ryobi. Only my. Yeah, well, I'll rebuild a nice and secured deck for you, so nobody will fall.
Years ago, 15 years ago, I used to be an iron worker.
A hire worker?
Iron worker.
Oh, okay. Like a helper or construction?
Yeah, fabrication. I was in the shop.
Uh-huh. I honestly didn't work for nobody. I did work like self-employed all the time, and then I started this.
I was an iron worker, and I got into union politics,
Uh-huh.
and then I got into
Yeah,
going.
I thought about the union, but then I read all of the policies.
All corrupt.
I didn't like it.
It's all corrupt.
You have to work like really hard, you know, to get your money. Then you have to pay them to stay there. And yeah, I've met a guy. He told me a lot about the union. He explained me how that works, and I'm like, why I need to pay somebody to work for them? Doesn't make no sense, you know.
After a while, they're not good anymore.
Yeah. This kind of stuff will work on people that doesn't know what to do, you know, for like now, and they looking for work. But if you are self-employed and you've been into business like a lot, I can tell you this wouldn't work to me. So that's why I didn't like it. But anyway.
When you go inside, you don't need me anymore.
No. If you want, you go right now, because I'm going to remove all of this on top.
Don't leave that, open if you leave.
No. I'm not gonna do that. Of course. No, I'm gonna let you know once I'm moving in and out. I'm communicating with you.
Very good.
This was one screw in it. That's it. One. It's enough. But it's not.